Wait, stop scrolling. This isn't just a random video. You're watching this for a reason. Before you close your eyes tonight, pause for a moment. You may have carried so much today: stress, worries, regrets, maybe even pain that no one else knows about. But remember this: Allah sees it all. Nothing you went through today was hidden from Him. The Prophet ﷺ said, Allah is more merciful to His servant than a mother is to her child. And tonight, Allah's mercy is reaching you too. Maybe you felt unnoticed, but Allah noticed every tear. Maybe you felt alone, but Allah was closer to you than your own jugular vein. Maybe you made mistakes, but Allah has kept the door of forgiveness open for you until the very moment you return to Him. So before you sleep tonight, talk to Allah. Whisper your fears, your hopes, your pain. He hears every word, even the ones you can't say out loud. And when you lay down, let your heart rest in this truth. If Allah kept you alive for another day, it means He still wants good for you. He still wants to guide you. He still wants to give you a chance to turn back to Him. Sleep with peace in your heart, knowing you are never forgotten. Allah wanted you to hear this before you sleep tonight.